Hello guys, welcome to our channel Tutorial River, and in this video we will learn how to fix Roblox audio not working. So firstly you have to check if your Windows volume is set to the max. So click on the audio button on the bottom right, then take it to 100%. After that, go to the search panel of Windows. In here type Roblox player, then click on open. After that, click on any game and then click on play. After getting into the game, go to the press escape, go to the settings menu. From here check that if your output device is set to the right one that you're currently using, and if your volume is set to the max, and if it all checks out, your audio should be working properly. Thank you again for watching the video. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next video.